Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Hello mga kakusina! Welcome back to my channel. Of course, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So nandito po ako ngayon sa aming tiny living room, tiny sala, at dito kami nanonood ni Vince during our free time. And by the way, another simple fish recipe ang isi-share ko today. And kaya-kaya natin i-level up ang mga simpleng pritong isda natin. Kaya naman, ang recipe ko for today ay tatawagin kong fish fillet with asparagus. So, nako, masarap po ito. And best for beginners who wish to try. And dito sa video to guys, isi-share ko din sa inyo ang aking plating idea. Kaya naman, stay with me until the end of this video at sabay-sabay nating tikman ang recipe natin for today. Okay? Please watch this. So first step, let's marinate our cream dory or fish fillet. And ito po yung mga ingredients natin. So, ang ating cream dory, 500 grams or half kilo. Then, meron tayong 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3 teaspoons of breading mix, option lang. And, of course, meron tayong pepper and pang-seasoning natin na magic sarap. Option lang din po ang magic sarap, okay? And then, 1 egg. So, sa ating bowl, let's mix all the ingredients. So let's marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. So set aside muna natin. So next step, let's prepare our asparagus. So ipipil natin siya kasi medyo syempre matigas din ang kanyang surface, kaya ipipil natin. So you can use yung peeler. Then boil our asparagus for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, ito na ang ating asparagus, boiled asparagus. So, set aside natin. Much better kung hindi siya overcooked para andun yung crunchiness ng ating vegetable. Next step, let's fry our marinated fish fillet. Good. So next step, let's stir fry our asparagus. Ayan, boiled asparagus. So, ito yung mga ingredients natin and makikita din ang buong sangkap on the description box below. Of course, meron tayong oyster sauce and ang ating mga spices, salt, cayenne, brown sugar, and pepper, and then cornstarch dissolved in water, and then of course, yung garlic and butter. Okay, so let's start to cook. In a pan, let's put butter, put garlic. Mas maraming garlic, mas masarap, of course. So, hindi ako maglalagay ng onion, garlic lang. And mamaya, once na golden brown na, magsiset aside ako ng konti pang garnish natin. Okay guys, so golden brown na ang ating garlic. Ang bango-bango niya. So magsiset aside lang ako ng konti pang garnish later. So of course, next to put ay ang ating oyster sauce. And of course, konting water para may sauce siya. Ayan. And then, of course, lagay natin ang ating mga pampalasa. So, in cooking guys, don't be afraid to experiment. So, kung may mga gusto pa kayong idagdag dito sa ating recipe, mas maganda, diba? Para may kakaibang twist or lasa. So, very simple lang ang recipe natin. Madali lang din i-prepare to and best for beginners na gustong i-try. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Okay na sa akin. Maanghang, may anghang-anghang dahil sa cayenne and matamis-tamis, of course, because of the oyster sauce and the brown sugar. Sarap. Okay, and then, para lumapot konti ang ating sauce, let's put cornstarch. So, konti lang naman. Depende sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo ng medyo mas malapot, dagdagan nyo. Okay. 2 teaspoon muna. Then, halo. So, dagdagan nyo lang ng additional cornstarch ayon sa inyong prefer na thickened ng inyong sauce. And of course, lalagyan na natin ang ating asparagus. Ayan. So, all done guys. Okay na to. So, let's prepare the plating. And of course, ihahalo na rin natin ang ating fried na fish fillet. Ayan, so my next step pa guys, let's do the plating. Alam nyo, maganda rin nang isa-serve natin sa ating loved ones ay kaaya-aya or may decorate or something beautiful. Kaya, try natin. We're not a chef, but let's try. So first, hiwain natin ang ating asparagus. Ayan, cut into half. Let's set aside first. So yung sauce, maglalagay tayo sa plate. Ayan. Para kaaya-aya. Ayan. So, mas pinantay ko na. Next. Okay, let's put our, of course, fish fillet. Fried fish fillet. Ayan. Okay. And then, of course, ang ating asparagus. Ayan. Beautiful. Kahit super effort, at least beautiful. And then, of course, yung remaining sauce natin. Drizzle ulit natin.
Wow!
Beautiful. And, of course, yung sinet aside nating fried garlic. Ping, ping, ping. Ping, ping, ping. So, ito na guys, ang ating finished product. Ang aking fish fillet with asparagus. Ayan. So, something special to prepare to your loved ones. Okay. So, thank you for watching guys. Kakain na kami ni Vince. Bye for now. So, ayun guys. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang ating fish recipe for today. And sana po may natutunan din kayo. Kaya naman, sana matry nyo din ito at home. And